Hello everyone and welcome back to the Techy channel. So today we'll try to explore one data which is related from the Outlook. So basically some of the users will send the data like this. So they will just send the data in the format of this format. So this one how we can try to export from the mail body. So from this format to this Excel format, how we can do this one. So for that, just go back to the UiPath Studio and use this Outlook desktop activities, which are getting the mails from there. And I will use my account. This is my account which I'm going to target. And if you want, you can do this rest of the things, whatever it may be. And the next step is I want the for each activity. So let me put it for each because I want to look that one by one mail. So as of now, I have the only one mail. So I will try to export that one. Rest of things you can do from your side. And this one, I will put the one variable which we call mail list. And I will pass the same thing here for looping the all the mails in that. Okay, next, first I will see whether I'm getting this mails or not. So just I want to see message dot this is current mail dot subject. Okay, so here I'm going to run only one mail, so I will show my Outlook as well. So this is my Outlook, and I have this only one mail is there. I mean four mails are there, but I'm targeting the first mail itself only. So let me make it as unread, and I will go and run this one. So just we'll see whether we are getting the data or not. Post that we'll see this what is the subject of it. So we can see that, and what is the body, we can see that as well. So right now I want to see this body. So that's why I'm using this method. So when you see this, I have a body which I get this format. But from here, if you want to extract these things, it will take a lot of time, and we need a lot of the rejects things. Everything will be the differ, so it will take long time, and we need to add the lot of activities for this. So I will try. I will try to go with that very small and very simple method. I will explain you. Now I will just check the subject. So the subject is test. I go back to the mail, and I can see this. My subject is also text. Okay, let's stop this bot. And now what I will do now, first I will save this particular file. So whatever I'm getting this mail now, so I will save that mail into the my local folder. Then only we can able to see that. So here just put this Outlook and save as Outlook, and we can see this activity which we called save mail is there. Desktop save mail. Yeah, just drag and drop this activity. So here it will ask what is the things we need to add. So as of now, I'm saving that particular folder into the my Outlook folder. So let me add this path, and here my file name, I will add this subject as it is. So Outlook dot subject. So with that, it will save that file, and I will use this replace things. Okay, now we'll see whether the file is saving or not first thing. So if the file is saving, next I will show you what's the real thing we are going to do. So let it run. As of now, there is no folder here. I mean, there is no file here. So let me run this, and we can see this file is available. Okay, I got this file. So now next what I will do now, I will just try to open this file. Okay, this should be in the format of HTML. So I forget to add that. So file name, I will put this, and you can see this format. You can change this format as HTML. Okay, let me delete this. I will run one more time. So with the HTML format, when you open that in the format of web page, so it is able to save that particular file. I mean, enter, we can able to extract the data in the format of data table. I will show that as well. Okay, now it got saved in the format of HTML. So you can see this one HTML. So let me open this HTML. Now this is open in the format of a web browser. So now we can able to. The next step, what I'm going to do. So just go back to the UiPath Studio, and I will put here data table activity. So let me select this, and you can see this one table extraction. So with this help of, I'm going to do the next automation. So let's go back to here. Okay, it's got selected. So let me press F2 and go to the browser. So here I'm using this browser which we called Edge browser. So just click on that resume and I will select this selection, and after this it will not would you like to extract all the columns from the data table. So this is considered as a table format, so that's why just click on that yes. Now you can see this one everything has happened. So what you will do, you can just go on change the column name 0 1 2 3 whatever are there now. So you can just change this column names with the respective of this transactions data. Now just click on that save and close. Okay, now it got extracted has been done, and here we need to give this file no. So here you can whatever you are giving is current mail subject, and you can pass this path as a dynamic method, so you can use that, not any problem. Now once this data is done extracted so we can put it into the workbook and you can do that. So now I will just run till here whether data is extracting or not. So let me click on that continue. Okay, now it will get that mail and it will extract the data from there as well. Let me put the breakpoint here. And I will check whether mail is in. Okay, this looks good. Just click on step into, save that mail, open that as in browser and extract the data as well. So you can see this, the data has been extracted. Now it came out of that and we can see this mail detailed. So when you see this, so I got all the data what I required. So just you can transfer this data to the Excel file. So this is a way how we can transfer mail body data to Excel file. So this is one of the method which I tried. So we have another method as well, but it's a very complex and it will take a lot of time and a lot of logics has been implemented. But this is one of the best method. You can take less time and you can grab multiple things. And when you say here, as of now, my data would be like this. For example, surveys, charges, and all. So tomorrow, the complete name will might be the change. So that time, it's very difficult to identify put the rejects things as well. So that's why better you can go with this format as well. And sometimes they have different things will get. Right now, it's just a simple and clean format like alphabets, some numbers. So tomorrow I found in real time, I'm saying in real time something as different things. So that's why avoid that method rejects and all. So this is one of the best method which I prefer. I hope you understand this concept. And still, if you have any doubts, post your comments on the comment section. And thanks for watching.